everyone and welcome back to Design by Nisha. Today we have a fantastic topic to discuss, that is modular kitchen designing. Whether you are planning a kitchen renovation or building a new home, modular kitchens are fantastic choice. They offer flexibility, functionality and style. In this video, we will walk you through some top tips and design ideas to master modular kitchen design. So let's dive right in. So before we get into the design details, it's crucial to plan your modular kitchen properly. तो आप जब भी किचन को डिज़ाइन करें, evaluate your cooking habits and family size, which is actually very crucial in designing a modular kitchen that suits our needs. How often you cook at home? Are you a daily cook or you cook on weekends? You are a professional chef or someone who prefers ordering from outside? Think about the type of meals you prepare. Do you often cook elaborate dishes that require a lot of preparations and cooking time, or do you stick to simpler, quicker recipes? Maybe you are someone who loves experimenting with various cuisines, or do you prefer a straightforward homely meals? Then take note of the kitchen appliances you frequently use. So some people rely heavily on ovens, while others may prioritize stovetop cooking or microwave usage. If you frequently bake, you have to prioritize a good oven. If you are into healthy cooking, consider appliances like steamers or air fryers. So by evaluating your cooking habits and family size in detail, you can make informed decisions when designing your modular kitchen. Because this ensures that the kitchen you create is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it's also functional and practical for your unique needs. So the choice between an L-shaped and U-shaped kitchen depends on your specific needs, available space and personal preferences. L-shaped kitchens are versatile and space efficient, which are ideal for smaller kitchens. U-shaped kitchens, on the other hand, offer extensive storage and workspace, making them suitable for larger kitchens and those who love to cook and entertain. When you're designing a kitchen, it involves several essential elements that contributes to its functionality, aesthetic and overall efficiency. So I'll be talking about the key design elements you can consider before designing a modular kitchen. So first thing is cabinetry and storage. You can go with high quality cabinets, and because they are the backbone of modular kitchen, you can choose cabinets that offer sufficient storage space and designed to fit your needs. Consider pull-out drawers, shelves and trays for easy access to pots, pans and utensils. You can incorporate tall units or pantry cabinets to maximize vertical storage for groceries and small appliances. If I talk about the countertop, then select durable and easy to maintain countertops such as granite, quartz or solid surface material. Just ensure that your countertop material should complement the overall kitchen design and color scheme. If I talk about kitchen appliances, you should invest in energy efficient and high quality kitchen appliance, which includes a refrigerator, oven, cooktop, microwave and dishwasher. Just ensure that these appliances are integrated seamlessly into the kitchen design. Select a sink that suits your cooking and cleaning needs, whether it's a single or a double basin, under mount or you want a top mount, it doesn't matter. Pair it with a stylish and functional faucet that complements the overall kitchen design. Proper lighting is essential in modular kitchen, so you can combine ambient, task and accent light for a well-lit and inviting space. Task lighting is essential for performing specific activities in the kitchen. For example, in this you can see there's an under cabinet lighting. If I talk about ambient light, which is also known as the decorative light, sets the overall mood and brightness of the kitchen. It ensures a well-lit and inviting environment for your daily activities and gatherings. Accent light add depth and visual interest to your kitchen. It highlights specific features or areas areas, creating focal point and enhancing the kitchen aesthetic. For example, you can go with the LED strip above or below your kitchen cabinets. If we talk about flooring, you have to choose flooring material that are durable, easy to clean and complement the kitchen design. So popular options which we use for the kitchen, it includes tile, hardwood, laminate or vinyl. Select a color scheme that reflects your personal style and complements the kitchen size and natural lighting. You should pay attention to finishes for cabinets, hardware and fixtures to ensure they harmonize with the overall design. So you should plan the placement of electrical outlets and switches strategically to accommodate appliances and lighting fixtures. An ergonomic kitchen is designed with comfort and efficiency of the user in mind. It takes into account the principles of usability, accessibility and safety. Ergonomic design kitchen also minimize hazards and accidents in the kitchen. It considers factors like adequate lighting, non-slip flooring and proper placement of appliances. An ergonomic kitchen is accessible to all users, including those with physical limitations or disabilities. It ensures that essential areas and appliances are within reach and easy to use. Now let's look at how to optimize the work triangle in an ergonomic kitchen, which involves the three kitchen elements, the sink, the stove and refrigerator. You should place the sink centrally in the kitchen, ideally under a window, because this provides natural light and a pleasant view. Ensure that the sink is close to the dishwasher for easy transfer of dishes and utensils if you're going with the dishwasher. Okay, if I talk about the stove, position the stove within the work triangle so that it can easily accessible from both the sink and the refrigerator. One thing you should consider is you should leave countertop space adjacent to the stove for placing hot pots and pan. You should place the refrigerator near the entrance to kitchen or in location that does not disrupt the work triangle flow. You should ensure that there is an ample counter space adjacent to the refrigerator for unloading groceries and food preparation. So if possible, opt for refrigerator with bottom freezer or side-by-side design to improve accessibility. So what you have to consider is you have to maintain a clear pathway between these three key elements to prevent congestion and allow for smooth movement. Aim for a balanced work triangle with roughly equal distance between the sink, stove and refrigerator to optimize workflow. That's a wrap for today's video on modular kitchen designing tips and ideas. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring for your kitchen project. If you have any questions or want to share your modular kitchen experiences, please leave a comment below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement content. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.